Alright then, hippies, what's happening? It's Jack here again. I know I haven't made a video in quite a while, but I got some cool gun stuff to show you, and I figured I'd just give you a quick glimpse into this new rifle that I finished up. I've been working on this sucker for God knows how long, freaking more than about a year and a half, I guess. It's been a while. But, let's see here, give you a quick just look at it right quick. Yay, ultra tactical. Also, go ahead and show you this too, for all the ding-dongs. No ammunition in that magazine. Also, nothing in the chamber. We're safe. Okay, so on to the cool stuff. I guess we'll start right up here at front and go right into it. This is, guess what, an AR-15. It's a full-length 20-inch upper. It is chambered in 5.56 or 223. It's tipped off by one of these things that I really like. This is a Primary Weapon Systems FSC 5.56 flash hider. I don't really know how well it works because I haven't fired the rifle yet, but it sure does look cool. That's for sure. But and then that's connected to a blurry mess. There we go. This is a 20-inch 1-in-7 twist Yankee Hill machine chrome lined, chrome bore barrel. It is not the government profile. It's more like the H-bar style, but it is fluted to keep some of the weight out of here. It's ribbed also all throughout here, but you can't really see all that. But seems like it's a pretty good barrel. Machining on it's perfect. It is properly head spaced and seems like it's going to do wonders. I also have a Yankee Hill machine, gas block / front sight post combo, and pretty happy with that. I think I could have done a little bit better on that one, but you know, whatever. It's not pinned. It's actually got these set screws in it, which I'm not too thrilled about, but we'll see how they do. It does have the bayonet lug and the front sling swivel. Ugh, sorry. Didn't really think I needed either one of those, but hey, I've got them, so whatever. And it is wrapped up in a Magpul MOE handguard. Underneath that is, of course, the full-length rifle gas tube. Didn't feel any need to go with a piston-operated gun. Direct impingement seemed like it would do just fine with this rifle, so that's what I opted for. And I actually got the MOE not as a cost-saving measure, because I really didn't spare many expenses on this rifle, but more of a weight savings measure, because this sucker is freaking heavy. Oh my god. Nothing fancy would hate me on this rifle, huh? See here, you got your standard barrel nut and delta ring assembly, yada yada yada, no big deal. And that is connected to a Viltor MUR1 upper receiver, which is wicked cool because it's got the shell deflector and the forward assist all machined in there, really cool, and it's got all kinds of cool markings all over it. On the reverse, it says what's up with it and everything like that. Seems to be a pretty cool upper receiver. On top of that upper receiver, I have an EOTech 517 A65 holographic weapons sight. This is a really good optic, and I've been really happy with it too. It's got a 65 MOA outer ring and a 1 MOA inner dot, so it's pretty accurate, pretty easy to use. Behind that, for when I want it, I have a 3x magnifier sitting in a geez, what is this? This is a LaRue Tactical flip to side quick disconnect mount, and directly behind that I have the Troy Industries folding battle sights, and these suckers are just absolutely top notch. I love them. Although I'm not that convinced that they're that much better than the Magpul backup sights, but you know, not a big deal, whatever. I have a Viltor. Hang on, God almighty, my camera sucks, y'all. I apologize. Let's get it focused. Focus. Focus. Come on. Come on, hippie. Yeah. It is a Mod 3 charging handle, and it's pretty cool. It doesn't tear up like the Badger Ordnance charging handles, so it's whatever. I'm pretty happy with that. Hold on one second. I'm gonna flip this rifle over right quick so we can continue the exploration of it. Let's see here. We'll move right along down into the lower receiver, which is still blurry, but you can see that it is marked for the fun switch there, but it is not fully fun. It's a Spikes Tactical lower receiver. It's the first part that I ever bought for this rifle, and it has been a pretty solid performer. I did all the color fills on the roll marking and everything like that. I've actually got a video on how to do that too if you guys want to check that out. I have a Magpul B.A.D lever, which is battery assist device. I'll show you how that works. It's right here. It's pretty cool. It's kind of gives it a little bit extra tactical edge, I guess, but I just thought it was cool. It's sitting on top of a Magpul MOE hand grip as well. I didn't really see the need to go with the B.A.D grip with the back straps and everything like that, just because I just didn't feel like I needed it. It's got a DPMS lower parts kit in it, pretty standard. It has been modified, however, thanks to a video by the Chrome Shop. It's got the Magpul enhanced trigger guard. This one does not have the Magpul logo etched into it, but it's whatever. It is legit Magpul, but you know, no big deal. I've been using these 20-round magazines a lot lately, just because if I'm shooting from a rest or something like that, I want to be able to get the rifle nice and low, and I don't want to have like one of these giant 30-rounders poking out the bottom and keeping me from doing that. Out back we have an Ace skeletonized buttstock. It is, I believe it's a 13-inch length of pull buttstock. Some people say it looks cheesy, Murphy's muskets, but it's not. I think it's cool. Tactical. Oh yeah. Pretty badass. Anyway, let's see here. What else? Where are we at? Where are we at with this bad mamma jamma? I don't wind up making a huge mess. Okay, back over here. The B.A.D lever right here. You can see that it's out of battery, but I've got a little notch right here. Press this and put it into battery. And lo and behold, you can see that my bolt carrier group is not your standard Parkerized phosphate black bolt carrier group. This is actually a bolt carrier group by Fail Zero, and the cool thing about that is it comes with a it's all nickel boron coated, but it comes with the nickel boron coated hammer as well. Thought that was a nice little touch. Not entirely sure the reasoning behind it, but the bolt carrier group itself is really a high-end piece. I mean, it was not cheap, but very little about this rifle was cheap to build. Everything's with it. Seems like a really well-made piece. It's slick as all get out. It always feels like it's got oil on it. It's kind of weird, but I have a feeling that it is actually going to be easier to clean. It did come with a firing pin, everything like that already in there. It seems to line up really nice. Seems to chamber really nice as well. What else? What else? Get this guy closed back up. I think I've talked about just about everything on this rifle. Well, I talked your ear off too. But, you know, it's cool. It's really cool. I'm happy with that. I've started my nice little collection going here. But, yeah, if you guys have any questions about any particular piece of this rifle, let me know. I'd be more than happy to make a video for you if you'd like. Show you some cool stuff. Tell you what I know. You can make up some stuff that I don't, I guess. Whatever. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I think I'll probably make a video about this bolt carrier group too, just because it's wicked awesome. Show you the difference in cleaning it versus like the black traditional bolt carrier groups. Oh yeah, check this out. This is also a shout out to Murphy's Muskets. Got me a Zombie Hunter dust cover. Yeah, that's a little touch of class right there. Like it. I wanted to put it on this guy, but I couldn't because of the integrated shell deflector and forward assist. But whatever. Anyway, all right, hippies. Peace.